Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly move a game from one monitor to the next by using a shortcut with the keyboard. So you can see on my on-screen keyboard, I want to press the Shift button, the Windows button, so these two buttons. Once we have those engaged, we want to press the corresponding arrow key over here. So you can go up and down, left to right, and then the entire application, whatever you have opened up, will move over to that monitor. So I got these, I'll click down now. Let's press the arrow key and this is going to move. It looks like OBS back and forth. So yeah, very easy to do. Let me go in and click this down now and hold these buttons down and it will move it to the left. Boom, it's gone and it's back. So let's do this with the OBS application. I just clicked it and I don't want it on the screen anymore. Now it's gone. So very easy to do with that method. Otherwise, right click on the desktop, go to display settings and open this up. Now go to the display you want to choose. Go to multiple displays and make this my main display. And your games will automatically open up on whatever your main display is. So just identify on the top and you should be good to go to see which one is which. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.